Hi friends, welcome back to our cooking voyage. If you like my channel, please subscribe and click a bell icon for instant notification. In today's recipe, we are going to see how to make Vendakkai poriyal. This goes well with plain rice along with South Indian sambar or rasam. It can also be served with curd rice or lemon rice as well. I make this recipe usually without coconut. However, adding a bit of dried coconut adds flavor. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients required to make this poriya. Heat a pan with oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and allow the mustard seeds to splatter. Followed by add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, one tablespoon of Channa dal, 1/4 teaspoon of Hing. Now fry the Channa dal until it turns golden brown. Once it is done, add garlic, curry leaves, chopped onions. Fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix the turmeric powder with the onions. Now I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Saute red chilli powder for 1 to 2 minutes. Now that the masalas are cooked, I am adding chopped vendakkai. Saute for 5 minutes on a medium heat. Keep stirring and fry the vendakkai on a medium flame until it is completely cooked. It's been half an hour and you can see the vendakkai has perfectly cooked. For a light tangy flavor, I'm squeezing half a lemon and half teaspoon of sugar. This will boost the flavor of poriyal. Give them a mix for a minute and turn off the flame. A tasty and crispy Vendakkai poriyal now ready to serve. This goes well with the Sambar and Variety rices. Do try this recipe at your home and leave us your comment. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting recipes. Thanks for watching.